Here, I have a promise that resolves a string named OurResolveData after a timeout of 3 seconds. We get the value in our promise by creating a variable named FinalValue and using the then attribute to set our variable equal to the result from our promise. Let's run this script. Great, we can see the result OurResolveData printed into the console. Another option we have at our disposal is using async await. Async await functions let us wait for promises to resolve before we continue on to the next line of code. First, we want to create a function with the word async in front of it. So, async function with the function body. Note that we can only use the await syntax inside a function with the word async in front of it. So now let's create our variable result equal to await example promise. And let's console log that out. Great. Now when we go from this line of code to our console log, our promise would have already been resolved. Using async await allows our code to read out like synchronous code. Now, let's call this function. Whoops, forgot to give this function a name. Example async. And let's console log this. We don't even need to console log this. We can just call it example async. And let's comment out this. And let's run this script again. You can see that we're still getting our resolved data value using the async await function. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.